for this youth. I'm a first daughter. I'm a first freaking daughter. I'm a first daughter, my youth. I'm a first fucking daughter to feel like me no love her. I'm a first youth. Everybody there so with me. Me promise you know that for my life. Me promise you know. See Chanel down there son her too, baby. See Chanel they down there so with her too, baby. Jagga they so with me. Mika Boo they so with me. Everybody they so with me, my youth. Me try. Me fucking try, you. I am can't do it. I can't deal with it. And then not deal with me.
Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, I make it boy diss me. And this morning them a diss me up. Wicked. Them blame everybody, Mika. Mika now she no look on it and talk to me as a mother. She a go tell me say me stink. I'm a dirty woman. Out of everything. I'm a call her, me talk to her. Me not do her nothing. Me not do her none at all.
An idea. And at first she had it. So it don't make sense to us to raise the pressure right now. And at first.
The reason why, and you know the reason why, me cut off Anna. Me cut off Anna because I made Daniel kick him. Me cut off Anna because I made Daniel kick him. After Daniel kick him, me tell you so me can't talk to her. Because Oka's money kick you and you take him back. I abuse what she has got you. Make it baby got you.
Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Everybody will stay calm now. We should find a solution for just get the baby back. All if a liar, you know, she said she want to help her with that.
That's why me say, mother give her money. Every money she want to feel liar. Me call her this morning so we can give her refunds. So she can make up and do what she do. And just this she this me. You understand? All love you could have for me. Talk to me. You understand me? She wouldn't even let me in. Not even one bit. Not even a little tip. You never give me a chance. What me if it do? What me if it do? Eh? It's alright, bro. It's alright, man. Me get. I just saw you go, you know, bro. How me I gonna know? How would I know?
She never call nobody. She never text nobody. The person who hate around people and the person who can help her.
Right now, me know say, if you get back her baby, she have to go separate from out her house with Daniel. She not look on that, and at them some them want make she understand. She have to come out her abuse, if you get back her baby. She have to left from her abuse, but she don't want to hear that the part there. She don't want to hear the truth. You understand me? The that cause the baby forget take away is what she and Daniel over there do. I know me, but she blame me. How could you blame me? And then you in her house with a man, I abuse you. And them I go tell her the same thing. She have to separate to take care of the baby.
They will never realize until when she gets separated from Daniel, she will realize why. But you can't do yourself, pressure yourself.
You hear me call her this morning?
Me hear call her.
And you hear how she deal with me?
Mommy, you can't do yourself, pressure yourself. You can't pressure yourself. What if something happened to you now?
No, she not like me. Argument done. And I hate me like a dose of poison.
And if you hate enough of your business that you have many people around you who love you. So if one out of a bunch to hate you, you know mean say if you pressure yourself right now.
Me call her this morning. I boy that up front. You see him boy. Me say alright then good morning. Me talk to them decent, you know.
This is why you never know nothing about it, because this is what they might do. Daniel and Anna have a problem with you. So you're not gonna know nothing about it because they don't want to come to you and they don't want to come to you.
This morning she could have take your phone, you know, and talk to me, you know. When doing give Daniel a phone, saying give money opportunity for this me, right? Me still call back no one a beg. I beg. You understand me? And you still a diss me up. You still a diss me up like I know me birth you. Me and nobody to you. You understand? What me could have do to you so in a life, that's you who can't see me as I still a tell people say you love me, but you still can't see if you make me have a chance with you. You understand me? I never kick you, never put my foot by you. And I'm gonna beat you and abuse you. Me I tell you say that's a problem and you're not here. Me keep on a tell her. Right? And that make baby troops get take away. And she not turn on to the man and say, yo, are you cause if the man you get take away? She got turn on to her mother and say, me cause. How? How me for cause? Well, see when time wanna see me move on from this. Me no want nobody call me name. Tell her if you care over baby them. Tell her if you care over she have a baby them out the road for. Tell her if you bring over her kids them. It's alright, man. It's alright. It's alright, man. Everything good. If me no need it, me no need it. And say me no need it, me no need it. Me no need it. So if me no need it, that's so. Me there with one, but everybody there so with me, right? A one family me there so I take care of everybody. So if you say me no need it, that's so. That's okay. That's okay. I couldn't. You can't force somebody if you need you. You can't force people if you want you or want to help from you. And if she decided to send me and nobody to her, I can't do nothing about it. You understand what I say? I can't do a thing about it. What I can do? What I can do? I can't do nothing.
Calm down.
Calm down, baby. Calm down. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. What I can't do, I can't do.
Stop feeling say you can't do nothing.
I can't do nothing about it because I try and she not give me a chance.
Stop telling yourself that you can't do something. It's just she let you do it. If she don't want you to do it, don't pressure yourself. Just pray for her. Calm down and tap it down. You say one human being you can't wear so much stress.
I can't deal with so much somewhere.
Calm down, I tell you to calm down. You're not here. Is it? If me lose you, I can't do it. So calm down. Your pressure, calm down. Come on, see me if I go rush again. Calm down. If she want you feel, she will call you. You know, block her. You have her number. She have your number. She will call you. She will call you. Give time. Give time. She will call you. Give time, mommy. Just tell her, say, you in any way you can help her, you will help her. Just leave her a message and say that. And she will come around. If she wants your help, she will come around. But then if you stay calm.
Then tell her say me say Odin for come for her pitney. Me never say that, guys. I don't know why people do this something they no come. Me never say that, you know. Me say she love her baby and should have never give. Me should have never give her baby to Odin and that me say. Me never say Odin for come for no baby. But the people they run go tell her baby things. You understand what me I say? The people they run go tell her baby things. Say, me say Odin for come for baby. Me say But you not go get the baby because she love her baby. You understand? So everybody over there in her ears, I tell her be things, you get me? And she believe everything what they say. Me never said that to her. Me never said that to her. Me never said that because me know say she love her baby and she not go give her baby to that the boy there. See what me I say? So me said, when me say this to the panel life, me never said that to her. You see me? But she's... Drink your water, man. Me good. Me good.
No, drink your water. Drink your water.
And everybody know you. She blame me, Danny Boo. Danny Boo, she blame me for everything. Everything. Everything she blame me for. Danny Boo, it hurt. But she say she never even try to say at once she can say you are Daniel. I fault. She always blame me for every fucking thing. Every fucking thing she blame me for. Everything she say me. I call her and me I try beg her from yesterday. She not talk to me, bro. So I'm gonna tell you, see one I think, right? You see one I think with the baby, right? And I last off one time she didn't cuss. And when she didn't cuss, the baby drop. And them I say she lick the baby. I know she would lick the baby. I know she would lick the baby. She would never lick Chupsy. I don't know what got down. I don't know where they hear. But at the time, the baby drop. You understand? And I see him, Daniel, she didn't cuss with. You understand what I say? And when the baby drop, no, bro. You don't know what they say, go down with the baby, but they must say, licky baby. And this I know it come like everybody does send in message, cause then text CDA, people them text CDA, then tag CDA, then tag CDA. And they come like them a investigate on a long time. They didn't investigate a long time, my youth. And this I know they care police and so on guard the yard. You understand what I say? And then take it, baby. She love her baby. She love a baby. She love a baby. May I tell her that? Me see her with her baby. She love a baby. Me can't tell her say she love her baby. She love her baby. But every baby, every baby, every baby, every baby mean, every baby mean that much to her. She have to give up Daniel. Every baby mean that much to her. She have to give up Daniel. She have to give up Daniel. Cause I abuse what she in her, make she lose a baby. And she not see that. And me can't make me continually tell her, say, and the abuse where you in her, and that a cause a problem. And that a cause a whole life problem. And the abuse what she in her with the baby and the situation. So if she give up Daniel and separate, she will get her baby. I don't know say I'll no lie. I don't know that, bro. You understand what me I say? Not school none there, Natalie. Natalie, you know say true. And this is just the truth, baby. The school no man, no, that's the truth, my youth. I truth. You understand?
nobody come over here. Hello? Advice about stay strong on this and
yeah, I know. I hear you.
I don't really have no time for this year, you know, because I have to focus on getting back my baby. That I'm my main focus, right? So please, me I ask you if you can at least wait until me get back chooks. We just like done all of this dramatic thing on the internet, and me done have a lot I go through. When the people them come to you and say, Annie, you know, say such and such, you deny it. Yes, you laugh, you say a prank, we are do for make money, we are lied. Oh, when we did do this from when we did do this until Chanel reaching out and I laugh, mommy, please, me I beg you. You have no respect for your baby, not even for me. Just calm down, chill, and just do what you do regularly, please. Me I beg you. Me don't have enough
Yeah, I
people
mean
for me.
by calm down and chill. Talk to me. Talk to
Calm
me.
down.
Talk to
Calm
me.
down.
You
Stop
go
being
talk to
so.
me. You talk
Stop
me you
being
can talk
so.
on WhatsApp. Me and you, not Daniel. You can talk to
When you
me. You
calm
can give me a
down.
chance and talk to me, please. You
When
can
I
talk to me,
calm
please.
down. When you
Eh?
calm down and you start think with your brain, of course the number is there. You notice I not block you? The number
Me
did
not
them
block you
man.
either. Me not block
The
you
number
either.
did there. You need to
Alright, you say me
calm
not
down
think with
and
my
think. You
brains.
not
You
think
can
like a
just calm
grandmother.
down
That's
and
the
talk to me
main
like how
problem.
situation serious, please. Me I beg you. I
I
beg you.
can't talk to you upon a live.
No, you
Right
cannot
now, me I
talk to
try
me
to
on
do
the
this
live. Just
something.
talk to me on the phone. Me and you, please.
Alright then. Just calm down.
Alright. When nobody's come and me no really want nobody come and say nothing bad, so make it stay. Nobody no, me not gonna take nobody in the box. Make it stay. Now go talk to me, see me, you know that, right? I want you. Hold this. She not go talk to me, see me. You know, don't craving it from mama. I'm craving it. She call me? She call me?
No, mommy. Let me see if phone today, so she go call you.
Call on phone.
She blocked me on WhatsApp. She blocked me on WhatsApp. So I'm being a text her. So she blocked me.
Perhaps she could use the Holy Infant to make money. So she spread the word extensively that the Holy Infant could bring happiness to people. In order to obtain the Holy Infant's blessing, many believers came to pray. Relying on this boy, Mona gained countless wealth and glory. Mona could have relied on the Holy Infant to enjoy a lifetime of prosperity and luxury, but she fell in love with the bishop's son. The fact that they were in a relationship was eventually discovered by everyone, and she received the punishment she deserved. The woman was forced to go on dates with 208 men. This number was calculated with precision, for the pillars on the ground stood for these 208 individuals. When the number 208 was written on the last piece of paper, the last pillar was knocked down right after. The woman's punishment came to an end, but the woman lying on the bed was already on the brink of death, and the reason she was originally a pure.
Can't tell me what she want, never tell me what she want, because she wants something to make it. I have to make sure so she get it. The color?
Mommy, you're not gonna hear say that I blocked me on WhatsApp. A mistake here.
I'm going to take a drive out. Make a drive out. If you just sit down, if you just wait till she done.
The woman was forced to go on dates with 208 men. This number was calculated with precision, for the pillars on the ground stood for these 208 individuals. When the number 208 was written on the last piece of paper, the last pillar was knocked down right after. The woman's punishment came to an end, but the woman lying on the bed at that moment was already on the brink of death, and the reason the Pope wanted to punish her was that she had committed an unforgivable sin. The woman's name was Mona. She was originally
Say a prayer. Jonas had just walked through the door when he saw it, his new wife, Diana, making out with his son Hugo on the couch. The sight hit him like a punch to the chest. He dropped dead right there from a sudden heart attack felled by the shock. But Diana, the woman who caused it all, didn't bat an eye. This was exactly what she wanted. Her only goal was to have Hugo all to herself, no one standing in their way. She married Jonas in the first place.
Okay, I'm sorry if I go supermarket here.
You will plans today.
Guess I'm going to come on fight life. I'm going to come on fight life. If I feel like God. If I scar.
Horror tenderly caressed his face.
Think you could have like me make it for come up.
Sea Otter Awareness Week is coming to a close, and I wanted to share with you my most popular sea otter videos. Enjoy.
Moderator, block that person and say people, me no moderator in other comments here. No moderator in the comments. There's some local stinking people that come talk about what goes around, comes around, no run no baby joke, you hear me I tell you? Blacky people, them and get rid of people like them, I find comments, you understand what I say? Because when they come and pump pick the joke, you know, run pick the joke, you hear me I tell you? You run pick the joke then type of way there. So at least me never did know me they think like a joking thing, you see me? Me they think of something a joke and it's serious. I run up in the joke yes, so with me, I don't run a joke with my grandbaby that me and tell on the ear. You know, come in and comments and fuck up my black, you know. You fuck on yourself with me none time. Swear to God. Don't do it. I'm no moderator no there. I lock down this and that me and tell you no play with me. Don't play none tall with me. I mean, tell you that. Don't play with me. None of you me not play with you know. Yes, you know when grow up and people don't fault me, hate it. At least me never did know. Me never did know. Or when they show me pan pink wall, me think a joke. You understand what I say? You don't come here so with that. Danny Boo, what go on? What go on, mama? You know all me can beg you and pray for her. You know all me can beg you see people them in the comments who have a good heart. Me I beg you pray for her. I swear to God pray for her. I beg you pray for her, pray for her. She need it. You hear me I tell you, as a mother she need it. I couldn't know trendy. Trendy, I wouldn't know nothing. Pin the lady they comment in a red dress. Who don't know? Please, me I beg you to pray for her. Pin the lady comments. Work well from him with her son. Now that them I go do. My promise you that them I go do. She have to go want it. She have to go want it. Them I go tell her. My promise you them I go tell her that because they don't want the baby in an abuse situation. Me can't take up nobody for life. Me don't want nobody go say nothing and she go cut me off. Me not even sure if she go talk to me, but you can't say nothing. Me don't want nobody up here start talk no bad about her. You block everybody a skin them teeth. And that me I tell you a lot down in the comment section. You see me? You block them dirty people here. Because a whole heap of you call in for CDA. A whole heap of you call in for CDA. You don't know that. Block them and make them go from you, so. Nah, yeah, don't add nobody. Yeah, me nah add nobody. Nobody me nah add Anna. Don't worry about that here. That me I tell you. Cause whole heap of who no call down CD and text down CD if she lose her fucking baby. I don't know say one and only precious things she have in her life for her baby. Don't worry about that, bro. And you can call me, please. Just call me. Me know say court time not ready. Just call me now. Call me. I beg you. Just call me now. Ring my phone now, no. Ring my phone now. Please, me I beg you. Ring my phone. Just call me. In 5 minutes. Me I beg you. Call me. I beg you. Please. Call me for 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of your time, please. Even 2 minutes out of your time, just give me that, my youth. Even 2 minutes, my youth, just give me 2 minutes out of your time, my youth. Please, I beg you. Even 2 minutes, Anna, just give me 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes or 1 minute, just give me that, please, me I beg you. Call my phone. Call my phone. Call me. Call me. Go suck your mother. Remember me tell you when me pray, me still can't tell you go suck your mother. All Jesus would have tell you say Tia. All Jesus would have tell you go suck your mother, wicked blood clot. Me don't know who you be, alien. All this. Move your blood clot. Everybody evil for uno. Moderator evil soon. You see me? All Jesus would have tell you that this morning. Uno wicked and evil. Uno have evilness in our uno, and that we do know. You see me? You can't manage your comments. You can't manage your baby. Lock it down here because it's going to get hectic. You understand what I say? Yeah. I know say a long time and we all I wish your whole family forget to take away. I know a whole I wish your whole family forget take away. You hear me tell you? But who God bless no man curse here. You know what I do. Cause same thing when you wish your people it go come back pa right back around. You hear me tell you? Always remember that here. What goes around will always come back around. Always remember that here. Enough of you in a comment section are evil. Enough of you set up people life. All heap of you sit down and watch people on social media and set up people life and take scene. Cause all heap of take CD you get. All heap and a from you. You understand what I say? Right? Uno gloat pan people don't fault because guess what? Uno watch them and uno bad mind. You see? No one hear from enough of uno. Moderator can block enough of uno come back on my bumbuckler page. I tell uno that. I tell uno that because uno know say she love her baby. Uno know that say she love her baby. Uno know say the only thing she hang on pan is the baby there. You understand what I say? And I come here so with no gloating. Always remember what I do here. Always remember what I do. Bed when I spread, when I go lie down in it.
Really?
Come off. Come off? I'm going to drive. I'm going to drive. I'm going to take a drive. Look at this. I have to go drive. I have to clear my head.
I know, but just have to breathe.
Clear my head a little bit.
I have to breathe.
I'm going to Dino.
Oh, go on. Jaja, no. So, you see a lie, brother?
Yeah?
Them wicked in a man. Why CD can't go for other people in Pitney? Why them have to target you know?
Dino people I do them something here.
The people in Pani lie. Me know.
People them I do them fuck here. Yeah, me tell you.
Me know, man. Me know, man. Me just tell them, me say, boy, me not lie. The people me see because them in a phone space. Them will come with all kind of thing, bro. People bad mind. And people rather see fear family mash up than to make them family mash up. That's the strongest get the hardest fight. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Cause here people my boy, why Anna take care of her baby? No fear her baby. She have to take care of her baby, I fear her baby. She don't know, no did it. You see when a woman a feed her pitney, a birth her pitney, and all of that. So no can't go like say a phone pitney because sometimes you know, phone pitney the worst and what other people sometimes you know the worst of phone pitney than what other people do, you know. I wanna now come out and say that, brother. So I wanna against one somebody. Look how much people me there around and me see how them doing for them pitney and some big buff. I me never see, brother. I don't know what to tell you, no, bro, cause
Well, Dino, it's just a fight against with people on the media will watch you and try to tear you down. You get what I say?
I shake all CD.
Nobody read the comments. Don't read the comments, Dino.
I read them.
Comments. You see me now? That's what they want to
I
life.
set up, yeah.
I set up type of thing you come with.
I set up time because them.
And you see, I know and I love her baby. You understand what I say? The baby mean everything to her. Everybody know that.
You
right?
see media?
I'm going to fuck up our meds right now. Our meds are going
yeah. She need to stop. she need to stop read the comment section and stop follow them over there. Need to get dark on them because you see people, bro. I realize you see majority of people when I go on the live, them love to see when you know go through the worst. And that freeze them and that make them laugh and kill them teeth. Them life is good. Them life is the worst. I mean I try to tell them son every time I feel like see worse of people, bro. Because I mean the whole way I see them, bro, we are all human beings. You see what I say?
Eldino, make go take a drive out and come back here. Me soon come, me link with you on the live here. Just give me a minute, hear me
Nobody
there?
stress out yourself,
Give
though,
me a
and
minute.
cry thing, bro. But even though I know say I
Yeah,
feel,
that's why me go come down. Me go come down a little bit and just
are you drive?
well, and come. Yeah, me soon come. Me just go drive on the highway and come back. You see, me just want to breeze my brains and come back. You
Just
see
take your
me,
time
that
on the
me.
way, bro. Remember, I drive, so you have to focus. You see me,
Me
I
soon
say?
come. Yeah, me soon come.
Alright, beauty.
Make a wall this.
Mommy, me tell you to calm down, you know.
Calm down, bro.
You know, calm down.
Okay, in life, again. Him a go diss me like me. I think I that the day that you go love me. I think it the name day when you come on my grave. When you come on my grave, Anna. And that the time that you go show me some love. Me promise. The day name day when you come on my graveside. And that the time that you go show me love. The day name day when I say Annie rest in peace. And that the time that you go remember me. You're not gonna remember me no time in a life. Me promise you. You will never love me. You will never love me. You hear me tell you? The name Gideon. When you come on my blood clot graveside, and that the time that you may remember one little something about me. But you will never remember nothing about me. You don't remember the love. You don't remember the nurture. You don't remember me grow you. You don't remember say me and mommy. You don't remember nothing about me. You see me? You hate me like I do a pies. You understand me? Me come like a pies ivy to you. Means nothing to you. You hear me tell you? I saw you look on me. You'd have never give me a chance in your life. You'd have never give me a chance in your life. No matter how me beg you, you not give me. You cuss me like a dog animal. What me fi do? Eh? That's okay. That's okay. You hear me tell you? That's okay, Anna. You're my first daughter. You're my first baby girl. You're my first born. You hear me tell you me care you for 9 months. And why you think me not have no love for you? Eh? That's alright, man. Me done with you. Me done. Me done, mama. Everything good. Don't me so no deal with me. Eh? Me have a wonder. One less stranger fi do it with me. One less stranger fi do with me. One less stranger fi drag me. One less stranger fi do me anything. You understand what me I say? One less stranger out there fi do with me. Eh? That's okay. That's alright, my baby girl. Daniel mean everything to you. Daniel mean everything to you. To the moon and the back. He's your everything. Daniel is your every motherfucking thing. I'm nothing at all to you, baby. That's okay. But me love you. Me love you. I swear to God for my life. Me love you. I mean, no one can want give me no chance. Me no know why me can want give me a chance in your life. Me no do you nothing. I know that. You know me no do you nothing at all. No matter what them say for the media, me no do you nothing. You understand me? And you can't forgive everybody, but you can't forgive me. You can't forgive me, Anna. Anna, me, and you can't forgive. Anna, me, Anna, you can't forgive a blood clot. Oh no, come. Make me carry on the gas supermarket. Make me carry on the gas supermarket. No, man, it's alright, man. Yeah. Oh. Is that man? Me care when I go do me.
Wait. Go for the There are some things I do with.
Yeah, go for mommy.
I know. Stay me feed there. You can stay me feed there. Please. Okay.
Mommy, remember when I come off the phone when I tell us how we are, right? You're not listening to me, no, Nathan? How me talk to you now, listen, you know?
I could have done a coat with her, you know. I could have done a coat with her.
Mommy, you could have done a coat. If she didn't want your coat, she would have make sure they are coat with her.
But me is supposed to be
You
there.
can't force something.
Me could have done a coat.
You cannot force it. You pressure yourself right now. I'm here to tell you calm down. You're not listening. You have things I do today. You have a phone. She have your number. All she have to do is call if she need anything. You can't force something. If she says she don't want you, you can't force it.
I diss me up. I just be a
If she had this in her first time and I diss you, you know you have to do yourself right now. I sick yourself right now. Stress and everything by you right now. You sick yourself more.
Make you one more wipes now, please.
Try to get one more wipes. You have things I do. Calm down, Tariq. Sit here. Mommy, I have things I deal with. Please don't go deal. We have to deal with.
They cannot watch it right.
Calm down yourself. You can't come and like make them feel like you're weak because they tell us you stink and everything. You can't make them feel like you're weak.
I don't man, allow them.
They say done and you still come back and do the same thing. Chanel,
I don't like nobody even tell her say. Nobody not tell her truth.
And if nobody not tell her truth, she will realize one day she will realize what she do. You can't force something. You can't force it, man. You can't force it.
She don't go.
And if a person really love you, they won't do you that, yeah?
Chanel, look in my date up back.
So no matter if your mother, cousin, sister, brother, to her is nothing. Nothing to her. You ready for the way I do? Because we have to make...
Just send for you some plate.
May I make... When you come and like me talk
you should deal with your thing yet.
Yeah, but it depends on whole.
Why depend on whole?
No, that's why I say we cannot speak on life about this condition. So me I gotta do something for you one now.
Mom, the official day for your life. She must want to talk to you.
You see? So me I feel.
I don't feel good. Come take me and come help me come take care. I don't feel good, mama. Come quick. Me dizzy bad. Me dizzy.
No, Tete, don't go.
Breathe calmly.
Watch out, walk to you. Your body. Where your body so Tariq? Yeah, fling lick for everybody in here.
Jump in there, jump in there, jump in there.
Tariq gave himself. Tariq, come here.
No.
Sure.
What is wrong with you?
Come on.
You're gonna come out. Guys, I'm gonna take care of mommy, so I'm gonna end the live.
Me fight. You know what? Fight with your family. Fight with your family. Fight with your family. And we love me. Yeah, I'm a first daughter. I'm a first fucking daughter. You're my first baby girl. You're my first baby girl. When me have a son, me end up breed and get you. You're my first daughter. And you hate me. You hate me like a dose of poison. You say me sell you to people. You say me send you go sell your body. You say so many dirty stuff, man. Me still love you. Me love you. Me love you. See you when you would have never give me a chance. What? Eh? What? What that? Tea? Yeah, Papa. Instead of you say me go fight together, she no want that. Cause this him or this me like me and nobody. You see me? No call your man name, no call Daniel name, no call Daniel name in our mouth. You know? You never ever cuss and tell people say no call Annie name. Never ever say that to me. Say no call Annie name. Don't call my mother name. Never see you pick up for your mother and say, don't do that to my mother. My mother that. You see me? You just a diss me like me and nobody. And I run me like me a dog shit. You just a run me like me a one piece of dirty piece of dog shit. Like me and nobody. You understand me? No matter them drag me down, me still did it. Me did the same way. Right? You know no part of where you can look for say, oh God, I'm a mother. I'm a mother this. And my mother, she carry me for 9 months. Me never wash you out of my belly. Me never wash you out of my belly. Me carry you. Me try. And you come. Me try. And you come same way. Eh? God make you come with 11 finger. 11 finger you come with for sure you say it's a blessing. Eh? You hate me. You hate me. You hate me like a dose of poison. Eh? Me worse than anything to you in the world. Eh? You tear me down and you not see it. Me I beg you. Me I beg you, please. Please, Anna, please. Please. Why can't I hear me? What wrong? He might go diss me like me a dog. Like me a drunk girl.
Here, me tell you to calm down and I force that. And I force that. And I force that. And now this.
Grave. When you come on my grave, Anna, and at the time that you go show me some love. Yo, my promise, the day name there, when you come on my grave side, and at the time that you go show me love. The day name there, when I say Annie rest in peace, and at the time that you go remember me. You're not gonna remember me no time in a life. My promise you will never love me. You will never love me. You hear me tell you? The name Gideon. When you come on my blood clot graveside, and at the time that you may remember one little something about me, but you will never remember nothing about me. You don't remember the love. You don't remember the nurture. You don't remember me grow you. You don't remember say me and mommy. You don't remember nothing about me. You see me? You hate me like a dose of poison. You understand me? Me come like a poison ivy to you. Means nothing to you. You hear me tell you? I saw you look for me. You don't never give me a chance. chance in your life. You'd have never give me a chance in your life. No matter how me beg you, you not give me. You cuss me like a dog, any man. What me fi do? Eh? That's okay. That's okay. Hear me tell you, that's okay, Anna. You're my first daughter. You're my first baby girl. You're my first born. You hear me tell you, me care you for 9 months. And why you think me not have no love for you? Eh? That's alright, man. Me done with you. Me done. Me done, mama. Everything good. Don't me son deal with me. Eh? Me have a wonder. Wanna let stranger fi do it with me. Wanna let stranger fi do with me. Wanna let stranger fi drag me. Wanna let stranger fi do me anything. You understand what me I say? Wanna let stranger out there fi do with me. Eh? That's okay. That's alright, my baby girl. Daniel mean everything to you. Daniel mean everything to you. To the moon and the back. He's your everything. Daniel is your every motherfucking thing. I'm nothing at all to you, baby. That's okay. But me love you. Me love you. I swear to God for my life. Me love you. I mean, no one can want give me no chance. Me no know why me can want give me a chance in your life. Me no do you nothing. I know that. You know me no do you nothing at all. No matter what them say for the media, me no do you nothing. You understand me? And you can't forgive everybody, but you can't forgive me. You can't forgive me, Anna. Anna, me, Anna, you can't forgive. Anna, me, Anna, you can't forgive a blood clot. Oh no, come. Make me carry on the supermarket. Make me carry on the supermarket. No, man, it's alright, man. Yeah.